Hello guys, this is an online course for Percy Jackson and the Olympian, the Lightning Thief. Today we're going to talk about Chapter 6. Before we start it, let's have a quick look of the movie trailer. The movie is an adaptation of the novel.
What's going on?
The gods are real. You're half mortal, half god.
My father's Poseidon.
God of the seas.
Your blood is special.
This February.
Why am I here?
Zeus's bolt is the most powerful weapon ever created.
It's been stolen.
Everyone thinks you're the lightning thief.
So as you have seen, there will be many gods and goddesses appearing in the novel. When you finish reading, you should learn things about them. In this chapter, Percy had a tour led by Chiron, and he visited the cabins in the camp. A cabin looks like this. So now you can turn to page 80. In the first paragraph, line 2, it says, odds on the left side, even on the right side. Please highlight or underline this sentence. Odds means numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7. And even means 2, 4, 6, 8. Now let's read line 5 on the same paragraph. 7 seems to be made of solid gold, which gleamed so much in the sunlight it was almost impossible to look at. Here, 7 means cabin number 7. There are 12 cabins, right? So it is the 7th cabin. Gleam is a good word here. It means to shine with weak light. And there should be a let in this sentence. So that is a sentence pattern you can memorize. Before you fall asleep, we're going to look at a short clip of an online game. It shows how the cabins look like. Now we already know there are 12 cabins. On page 79, the last paragraph, line 2, it says, they are arranged in a U. You can draw a picture to help you memorize. And on page 80, the paragraph 2, it says, in the center of the field was a huge stone-lined fire pit. This is what? This is a inversion. Okay, 倒装句. Please highlight it. And in the third paragraph on the same page, the first line says, the pair of cabins at the head of the field. So now you can draw 2 cabins, cabin 1 and cabin 2.
So next we have the Zeus's cabin. So this is definitely a lot bigger than the Poseidon cabin. It's described as really large and sort of marble. So next we have the Hera cabin. So this cabin, of course, isn't being used because there's no Hera children because she's the goddess of marriage.
Then let's turn to page 83. Here, Percy was introduced to cabin 11. The house patron is Hermes, the god of doctor and the thief. In the third paragraph from the bottom, line 3, it says, over the doorway was one of those doctor symbols. It's another, inversion 倒装句. Symbol means 象征. Then in the last part of this chapter, page 89, Percy meets Clarice. She's like a bully. On page 91, however, she got blasted by the toilet water, and after this, the toilet was flooded. So this is a brief summary of chapter 6. I'll see you in the next class. Stay tuned.